Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We hope you're having an amazing day. And today's video is about Spring Artsy Cupcake and DIY Challenge. Thank you to these lovely ladies, Lisa Burningham and Artsy Cupcake, for the open invite. These two lovely ladies do a lot of amazing things on their channel, so I will put the link of their channel to the description below, so go ahead and check it out. Okay, let's get moving. Let's get moving. Here you go, guys. So just a little heads up. This is my very first time to bake a cupcake or muffin or whatever you call this. I don't know, I'm just taking it out of the pantry and I just really want to participate in this challenge. So please bear with me. So for the ingredients, we need 1 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 3 medium ripe bananas, 1 large egg, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. For this banana cupcake, instead of vegetable oil, we were gonna use the butter. So the next step, we need to mix or combine dry ingredients into a large bowl. So we will combine all this flour, the sugar, the salt, and the baking soda into this large bowl. And then it's not good to throw food away, so instead of throwing it, we put it on the freezer and try to make it a muffin. So this is the mixture of banana, butter, vanilla, and egg. We're gonna add it to the dry ingredients. So this is the mixture. I hope this is enough because I'm tired already of mixing it. Okay guys, let's start putting them into the molder. I thought we have ice cream scoop, so I can use scooping them, but I don't, so I'm gonna use this measuring cup as my scooping tool. So let's slowly add this. Oops, I hope it's gonna turn out okay. So here you go, guys. I don't know what will be the outcome of this. I'm crossing my finger. I hope I mix it well.
So the oven is good to go. So let's wait for 18 to 22 minutes to check if it's already done.
I can smell it. I hope it tastes good too. This is my first time, though my shoulder is already aching, but I think it's worth the try and it's a good exercise for me. Here you go, guys. So this is my banana cupcake with chocolate kisses on top of it. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. I just used this whipped cream to come up with this cupcake idea. I told you this is my first time. I don't know what I'm doing. But yeah, here you go. This is my very own banana cupcake with a DIY flower on it. I DIY the little flowers scattered on the cupcake holder, guys. At the end of this video, or before this video ends, I'll show you how to do it. The candle holder that I used is the big wine glass that I have. I already used this in my other videos, so I just inverted it and then put the candle holder on top of it to add some height. For my cupcake stand, I used my old scarf. It has a floral design, and yeah, I decided to use that one because I don't really have flowers and I can't go out at this point of time. So I just shop around the house and see what I can use just to participate in this challenge, guys. I decided to incorporate my spring cupcake into my kitchen vignette to give it more nicer look, because I think this is the perfect spot where I can put these cupcakes. So hope you like it too. If you're wondering what's the bottom of this cupcake, here you go. I just used my old jar and then cover it with my old scarf. So I'm gonna use the green color because I ran out of yellow and blue. Just want to show you quick how to do the DIY flower. Again. Just secure. I'm so sorry for the background noise, guys. I know it's annoying. It's because of this construction nearby, so can't really avoid it. So sorry. There you go. I only spent $1.25 for this project, guys. The rest we already have them in the house. And yeah, it's very simple. I know I'm kind of ashamed to upload it, but I just really wanna, show that I can bake cupcake despite of my injury. So that's a good sign. Yay! Thank you again, Artsy Cupcake and Lisa, for this collaboration. You guys inspired me. Thank you so much.